When you have trouble with an Amazon order, there are times when it's easier to speak with a customer service representative rather than write a lengthy note to the third party seller or deal with a chatbot. Here's a secret: an Amazon customer service rep will call you if you know this trick. I'm Kim Komando. While logged into your Amazon account, go to the Contact Us page. At first glance, it appears as only a way to do an online chat with a customer service rep. The online chat is a good starting point with all you need is a delivery date. For confusing situations, you're better off talking to a person. So if you look very closely underneath the yellow Start Chatting Now box in small letters, you'll see the link marked We Can Call You. Bingo! Click that, enter your phone number, and you'll see an estimated time before you receive the call. I have never waited more than 3 minutes for a phone call. Be sure to have the order number handy to expedite getting the result that you want. Try my new Daily Tech podcast. It's available everywhere. It's called Kim Komando Today.
Purchase new wiper blades from O'Reilly Auto Parts today and we'll install them for free. See better and drive safer with O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Oh, 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 O'Reilly.